Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to enable Roblox voice chat in PC and mobile. While playing the game, if you want to do a voice chat with your friends or team members, in this video I'll show you how it can be done. For the PC, you have to go to the browser and search for Roblox. And after that, you have to log in. Once the Roblox gets open, then you have to click on the settings icon from the top right, and after that click on settings. Once the settings gets open, you have to make sure that your age is above 18 because if you're under 18, then you cannot enable a voice chat. So you have to change the age and make it 18 plus. And after that, you have to go to this option for privacy and content and you have to reduce the maturity level. Make sure it is at minimal, and once you have done it, you have to again click on privacy and content restrictions, and after that you have to click on the communication. Once you click onto it, you will see this option voice chat. Go there and enable it. After that, it will show you this preview. You read it and click on enable, and now the voice chat will be enabled in the PC. For mobile, open the mobile phone, and after that you have to open the Roblox. As you click onto it, make sure you're logged in with your account, and once you get logged in, you will see the more option at the right bottom. Click onto it, scroll down a bit, and then you will see the icon of the settings. Click onto it and then click on privacy and content restrictions. Click onto it, and after that you have to go to the communication. Click onto the communication, and there you will see the option for voice chat. Click onto it and enable it, and again click on enable. On a mobile phone, you also have to make sure that your account age is above 18. So that's how you can enable voice chat in Roblox in PC and mobile phone. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.